let's talk about how I boost my immune system no matter what. Fiona stuff, Sharona, or just everyday life doing keto carnivore. So we've got this H2O Labs water distiller that purifies my water. I use filters and I use double filters, and sometimes I'll triple filter my water, and it's still not as clean. Is this stuff being cooked right now? So you can see right now, we're right about here. It'll fill up to the top, right? So awesome, I love it. And I just got tired of not having clean water. When I clean out this thing, there's so much nastiness in this. I really need to do a video of how nasty filtered water looks like. All right, so this is reverse osmosis. And if you guys are worried about the minerals, you know I'm all over the minerals with fish, bone, calcium. I've got avocado for my potassium. What? And we've got my real salt. We got my gray salt or Celtic salt, and we have the Himalayan salt. There you go. Boom. That's what I put in the water afterwards. Bam. Now, the other things I love, you guys know I spoke about this before, was oil of oregano. Okay? Antimicrobial and viral. Also, my kit for survival is lauricidin, because that's concentrated, or monolaurin, concentrated lauric acid from coconut oil, which is also antiviral. Yeah. And then what? We've got liver. Now I have chicken liver here because I have just a little bit of beef liver left, grass-fed beef liver. But in this liver we have, what do we got? We got zinc. Everybody says take zinc. We got copper. We have the balance of it. So we have zinc with copper, so we don't become toxic. We've got vitamin C, and we have selenium. What? All the things they say to keep your body on point through the whole Fiona, Ketona, whole thing, right? You have to watch your wording, or else they just sort of don't allow you to post this stuff freely, unfortunately. Yeah, so that's my emergency kit. Now I also do coconut oil pulling with the oregano oil, as you guys know, under the tongue into the bloodstream, right? But really, here's all of the vitamins. Here are my minerals. Here's my clean water. And I love this distiller. It's the bomb. So when it comes to keto and keto carnivore, you guys got to be on your electrolytes, or else you're going to have serious repercussions, as well as your potassium. Magnesium, very important. And I did a video about how men are telling women what they should be doing with their body. And men started having hissy fits. Never in my entire career of being online talking about keto have I seen so many biatches and men complaining and getting all twisted. I'm like, this video ain't for you. You ain't a guru giving out advice about female hormones, bruh. The reason why I did this video, and you know it was a bit clickbaity, so relax. Oh my God, you're a feminist. No, I'm Stephanie. If you don't like it, you know. The reason I did that video is because I get a lot of sick women in my consultations getting advice from men, and their bodies are different than women. I'm just saying. Okay, relax. Guys, I've never seen so many men act like, yo. Love. And I'm out, guys. If you want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. I'm going to start showing you macros, proper macros, what meat looks like on a carnivore, keto, and even low carb, high fat. stephanieperson.com. I have a keto course that teaches you guys how to do this the right way. Well, what I consider as the right way. Because like I said, don't believe anybody until you do your own dang research. stephanieperson.com for my keto course, or a consultation, or what else? Oh, I miss thunder, but it's raining outside today, so I'm going to stay home, get work done. Or you can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, or my Facebook fan page, which is Stephanie the Business Person. And I'm out. Just a quick video. It's just on my mind. You guys should think about RO water. Oh my God, you need the minerals or you're gonna die. No. We got minerals. Clean water. That's how you have a nice, clean kidney. Y'all know people are getting kidney issues doing carnivore the wrong way. All day because they don't realize that they're eating too much protein, have hypochlorhydria. They're not breaking down the dang protein. They're not in ketosis. They don't have their electrolytes on point. So therefore, liver's not functioning well, neither will the kidneys. And we need fresh to have our kidneys filter properly.